Alright, this is a quick tip video about your bevel and your belly and tip. I know this isn't a KME, but this should translate in any guided system with the stone holder. When you're scrubbing your first stone, I mean, you can kind of go up and down. Some people prefer heel to tip like this. But when you get to the belly and the tip, I do suggest that way, because if you go scrub up and down on the belly, it's going to depend on the curve, and you may have more pressure on the inside of the stone or the outside. So what I would suggest is doing a sweeping motion like this. Sweep up, making full contact with the whole belly. Try not to pass the tip. When you get to the tip, obviously, you don't want to go, all the way past the tip. Don't want to go halfway, but another tip I have is to put your finger there under the tip while you're scrubbing, so you can feel the stone make contact with the very tip, so you're getting that part as well. And obviously scrub, scrub, scrub. And as far as scratch pattern, when I finish with the stone, I'll always finish with the same direction, so I'll usually go heel, tip, heel, tip, heel, tip. That way all your scratch patterns are this way. Always finish that way with your stones, that way it's a little bit easier to polish. And then when you strop and you're going edge trailing, you want to go down the same direction, that way you're following the scratch patterns. It'll also help with the edge aggression, I found. At least that's my experience. And also people who are having uneven parts of their blades. A lot of people have an issue, they'll have an issue with the heel or the tip, so they'll spend more time on those areas, and all of a sudden those bevels are way off compared to the rest of the knife. So if you spend extra time on the tip, spend that same time with the whole bevel. All right, put equal time in the whole thing, and also flip and do the same thing. That way the whole bevel is the same size. Okay.